How you guys doing? I'm Big D, and I appreciate you stopping in. What I'd like to demonstrate today is one thing that's very important, and that's protecting the bed of your lathe. One way to do that is to purchase something like this. And to make it easy after every job to clean, all you have to do is use magnets to attach this. First, you're gonna extend it as far as possible. You'll get a length of what you need, which I've already done here. And I'm gonna use magnets, very strong magnets, and they're very small. That's how small they are. And this will act as an accordion while you're working. Now, you'll find on your lathe how long you're going to need. I have made it so this little groove here of one of these little pleats, those are where the magnets are going to go. And all you do is you place it on the bed. And you bring it forward. You do the same with the back side. I need one more. And where I found these magnets were on eBay. And if you want to see how small they are, the kit, they are very, very tiny, but they're very strong. Put them in the proper area. Bring it forward. And there you go. And then you'll be able to go back and forth. And your bed will be protected. And like I said, at the end of each job, you just remove these. Shake it off, and then start over. Thanks for stopping in. I do appreciate it. And if you can leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, hopefully someone else would like to know this as well.